I'm sorry. You're bleeding. You're bleeding. Hold your stomach. Hold your stomach. Your belly. Hold your stomach. Ow. Ow. Ow.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen of the Gala Company. This is your 10-minute call. You have 10 minutes. Thank you.
Don't judge me, just oversee.
Routine returns. Let's make it easy on you.
Like, jinxed it.
No, you did great.
Okay, what if he's right? Yeah, about not being prepared.
I've always said you attract toxic people. But you're still young.
What does that make you?
Better than I wouldn't wish the embarrassment of being unprepared on my worst enemy.
If you don't want me to dance, you don't have to pretend to care.
Does it hurt?
No,